Welcome, dear students. Today, we will unlock one of the most fascinating secrets of life itself, mitosis and meiosis. Stay with me till the end because this topic is a game changer for exams and real biology understanding. Inside every living cell, DNA carries instructions of life. But how does this DNA make sure new cells get the exact same or sometimes different set of instructions? That's where mitosis and meiosis come in. Mitosis is the process where one cell divides to form two identical daughter cells. This is how our body grows, heals, and replaces old cells, like your skin healing after a cut. Meiosis, on the other hand, is special. It makes sex cells, sperm, and egg. Here, one cell divides into four non-identical cells, each with half the DNA. This is why every human is unique. Remember this golden line. Mitosis is equal to identical cells for growth. Meiosis is equal to unique cells for reproduction. This single difference can help you ace exam questions instantly. When you grow taller, it's mitosis. When you get a scar healed, it's mitosis again. But when parents have a child with unique features, like a new eye color, that's meiosis at work. So students, always remember, mitosis copies, meiosis creates variety. If you can write this one sentence, you will impress your examiner and never forget the difference again.